Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you guys today to show you how to make another ring. The items that you are going to need to do this DIY, you're going to need some 12 gauge wire, 12 gauge aluminum wire or sterling silver wire, whatever wire you have, and it has to be 12 inches long. So you're going to need your piece of wire, your round nose pliers, and something to make your shape, okay? So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to come in the middle of the ring. We're going to push it up, and we're going to wrap it around. Now before we wrap it around, we're going to wrap it around, and then we're going to take it off. And once you have your two pieces down the bottom, you'll know that that's the first step. You're going to take this off and you're going to measure it. You're going to put it on your finger to make sure that it is the correct size of your finger, okay? The very next thing that we're going to do is we're going to push each piece down the opposite way. Okay? Now, okay guys, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start, it doesn't matter which side you start on. We're going to just put our finger in the middle and pinch our wire. And we're going to be just pinching it and working with it, okay? And this is what you will have, guys, okay? Now you want to take your round nose pliers and you want to make a loop. Okay? And then you want to, once you do that, then you want to push this in along the side of that, okay? And this is what you should have, okay? Now we're going to come on this side of the ring, and we're going to make it the same exact way this one is. It's not going to be exactly the same, but close enough. So we're going to pinch this down, okay? Then we're going to bring it up. Like that. Sorry, y'all. Then we're going to bring it over again. And then we're going to pinch it up. Okay? And this is what your ring is going to start looking like. Now we're going to do this the same exact way. We're going to take our round nose pliers and we're just going to make a loop. Okay, then we're going to pinch that in and just make our loop. Okay, and this is what you will have. And this is pretty much your ring, guys. Okay, so this is pretty much your ring. This ring you can wear on your thumb. You can wear it on your other finger, which is next to the thumb. You can also put some charms. You can put some charms on this ring. You can put some flat pearls on this ring. You can pretty much do whatever you want to do with this ring right here. So I just wanted to come to you guys to show you another ring. I also have done a video on this ring right here, and I've done a video on this ring right here. So the next couple of days, you guys will see each one of these rings being made. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. I also want to thank all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for taking this journey with me. Y'all have a wonderful day and an awesome week. Peace and blessings. Bye, y'all.